Hi, everyone. My name is Gantigmaa Selenge, but I usually go by Tina. I'm a software engineer at Red Hat and also contributor of Strimzi. So I'm very excited to be here to talk about Strimzi. So what is Strimzi? It's a CNCF incubating project, open source under Apache license 2.0. It's an operator for running Apache Kafka on Kubernetes. It's built based on the Kubernetes operator pattern and provides various operators to run manage Kafka components. Also has additional tools to make running Kafka as easy as possible. So Strimzi automates the installation of Kafka itself, as well as other components like Kafka Connect, Mirror Maker, and HTTP Bridge, which is provided by Strimzi for connecting to your cluster over HTTP. And Strimzi handles not just day one operations, but also day two operations like upgrades, certificate management, scaling of clusters, and configuration of clusters. Also uses another open source project called Cruise Control for balancing data in your cluster. And with Strimzi, you can also easily monitor your cluster, integrates with various monitoring tools. And also for security, it provides various different authentication mechanisms. Okay, so one of the biggest and recent change that was introduced to Strimzi is removal of Zookeeper. So Zookeeper was used to store metadata of clusters, but it was removed from in Apache Kafka 4.0 release. So it's been replaced by Kafka's own implementation based on Raft protocol. So the metadata is stored within Kafka itself. Motivation for this to get rid of that additional system to maintain and manage, and that simplifies the deployment and operations and also improves the scalability and performance. So Strimzi 0.4.5 is the current release, and this is the last version to support Zookeeper-based clusters. And this is also the last version which you can migrate your existing Zookeeper-based clusters to Craft, and we plan to provide extended support for this version. And the next release will be 0.4.6, and with this, you can only run Craft clusters, so you need to migrate your existing clusters before you can upgrade to this version. We're also removing some deprecated components like Mirror Maker 1. So future plans for Strimzi, we're currently working on improving certificate management to provide better support for tools like Cert Manager, and also trying to integrate self-healing, feature of cruise control, and we also plan to release V1 API and Strimzi 1.0 version. There are other couple of interesting work being considered, which is stretching Kafka clusters across multiple Kubernetes clusters, and also to provide built-in gateway to expose Kafka clusters. All right, so there is a StrimziCon virtual conference coming up on June 4th. So if you would like to learn more about Strimzi and hear about interesting use cases and integrations, please join us. This is the second time we're running this conference. Last year we had a very successful one, so hopefully it will be the same this year. Here's the link to register. And tomorrow, I'm joining my colleague, Paolo, who is also a Strimzi maintainer, to talk about Strimzi in more details. So if you're interested to learn more, please come and join our session. And also, my colleague, Paolo, gave a talk about managing Kafka workload this morning. So if you missed that, please check out the recording when it becomes available. And please join us if you would like to contribute. We're always looking to expand our community. That's it. Thank you.